A wonderful 3+1 bedroom semi-detached home with 3 washrooms situated within Pickering's high-demand Amberlea neighbourhood. Welcome to 1612 Arcadia Square. This brick home has a single-car garage with additional 2-car driveway parking, and through its covered front entrance is a main level featuring light-filled principal rooms that offer exceptional entertaining and family space. Laminate flooring flows throughout the main hallway and into the formal entertaining areas, and off the reception foyer is the living room, where a north-facing bay window allows for soft natural light and which has a vaulted ceiling to enhance the room's spaciousness. The hallway leads to the kitchen and the formal dining room, both which enjoy south-facing exposures. The dining room's large window allows for backyard views as well, and a chandelier adds ambient brightness to this elegant entertaining space. Beautifully updated, the incredibly functional eat-in kitchen showcases gleaming floor tiles and pot lighting, a granite countertop with a stone and glass tiled backsplash, as well as a stainless steel double undermount sink, oven with gas cooktop, dishwasher, and a French door fridge with flexible temperature drawer and bottom mount freezer. Cabinetry finished with a wood grain veneer provides abundant storage, including a standalone corner pantry, while adding a warm, homey feel to the room. And through the sliding door walkout is the equally inviting backyard. This private outdoor retreat features a patio area and a storage shed, is fully fenced, and has vegetable and flower beds for the urban gardener. Off the main hall is the coat closet as well as access to the garage, and to the upper level is a carpeted staircase with hardwood railing. This level is carpeted throughout for coziness and comfort, has built-in storage cabinets with a countertop off the hallway that can be converted into a double-sized linen closet if desired, features 2 nicely sized secondary bedrooms, both with south-facing exposures and oversized double closets, as well as a 4-piece main washroom with a tiled floor and bath area. The spacious master bedroom enjoys the soft, natural lighting of a north-facing exposure, has a walk-in closet, and features an ensuite washroom with tiled finishes, a shower area with glass sliding doors, as well as a vanity with plenty of toiletry storage. And all 3 washrooms in this home have dual flush toilets. The staircase to the lower level is also carpeted, and off its mid-landing is a powder room, its vanity updated with a vessel basin. The lower level is carpeted throughout and features a furnace room combined with the laundry area, a storage closet, a spacious family recreation area, as well as a bonus room with a double closet, ideal as a 4th household bedroom. And in addition, some important updates to the home within the past 5 years include the roof, air conditioning, windows, and the driveway. Walking distance to neighborhood parks, the Amberlea Shopping Plaza, public transit, as well as Highbush Public School and St. Mary Catholic Secondary School. This home is also within the catchment areas of Frenchman's Bay Public School, St. Elizabeth Seton and St. Monica Catholic Elementary Schools, and Dunbarton High School. While it's just a short drive to the Pickering Town Centre Mall, the GO station, as well as for access to Highway 401. And this home is also close to the shopping, entertainment, and waterfront enjoyment of Pickering's beautiful Frenchman's Bay community along Lake Ontario. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 416-704-7448.